Hey guys, this is Mile and today I'm gonna show you 3 tricks and today you're gonna learn it. First trick with the pen, watch. You like it? Once again? Okay, watch. It's actually so easy. What you're gonna do is put your 2 fingers like this, and when your heart will be like this. Do like this. They will know it has handing something. Do it like this, and then watch. I will do it from here. Just put it right here, but when you show it to somebody, no one can see. No one can see me. And then just hold it like here. But what you have to do it fast, okay? Now, trick number 2. Watch. I'm gonna make it from my neck. Watch. See? 1, 2. How's it? Again? No. 1, 2, 3. Now, what you're gonna need is this. And what you're gonna do is take this with and show 1, 2, 3. Again. With this hand, do it like this, and then like this, and turn it over, and then 1, 2, 3. This trick is awesome, but there's one of my favorite tricks that can freak you out, freaks someone else. Let's say I have this, $1, it doesn't matter, okay? Watch. A normal paper, doesn't matter what paper do you get, and right here. Now, I will put this right here, and I'm gonna do it 1, 2. What? No, you can see that I don't hide anything. See? Here's the hole. You can see it. And do it like this. Put it up. And you can see the hole right here. Here it is. But where's the hole in this? Can you see? No, because it didn't. Now, if you want to know how I did it, you're gonna need some paper. Yeah, another paper. Alright. And dollar everything. Watch what you're gonna do. Do it like this. So make it. And take here and smash. Take it like this, okay? And after, when I do this, watch how it will go. I put it right here, but watch how's the pen going. Pen is going like that, But what you can see it. Then I put it and do it. Wait, I just don't hold it in. Told it so good. Watch 1, 2, and the person to show who prove it. He's in the half. He's like this. He's a hole. You can see the hole, and then take him out. Do it like this and show here's a hole. But what then you're gonna do is to hide this. Where you do the hole, hide it, so you can see it. What? And say here is it clear. Thanks for watching.